아, 오늘은 바쁨 좀 겁나는데?
처음부터 많이 오네요.
이게 김치볶음밥이 만만치 않네.
Hi. Hi. Add to the kimchi fried rice. The kimchi fried rice. Would that be all? Yeah. Okay. Hi.
Hi. Kimchi fried rice with egg.
Okay.
아. 네, here. 자, 손님 오셨다. 손님 오셨다. 손님 오셨다.
Hi.
Kimchi fried rice?
Yeah. Kimchi fried rice.
I'm gonna do the same. 3 kimchi fried rice.
3 kimchi fried rice. Excellent choice.
자, 김치 하나 더. 김치 5개. 김치 진짜 인기 좋다. 와, 김치 진짜 좋아하시네.
5개 일단 가고. 먼저 5개.
What, you here? Let's be famous.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. That is good. Pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah.
High school, one of my buddies, just extra, just walk by. So they just throw this barbecue, like, oh, I'm on this movie, right? And, you know, we turn on, watch, all you see is her back. They throw a big full barbecue. That's funny. And we're watching this thing, where are you? And
That's me right there.
Right there. See her back. See her back.
Did she get paid for it?
Yeah, $20.
No way. You're kidding me.
Ain't shit, man.
$20.
무슨 소리야? 민방이다. 여기도 민방이가 있나? 국민 여러분, 빨리빨리 대피해 주세요. 가까운 지하나.
Every Tuesday. Every Tuesday.
They do it every couple. What?
Every Tuesday. Tuesday at 12.
What is it for?
You're saying 7 shades of cold, locked in my heart with no parole. You've had enough of feeling lonely, lonely. Even together we're alone. I cast a self-inflicted curse, a foolish way to not get hurt.
I'm so used to it. I just know it's 12. Oh, 12, yeah.
When I first got here, I listened, oh, yeah, that.
Yeah. That was pretty good.
fried rice.
Yeah,
Fried
it's
rice.
rice. Yeah,
To make it crispy.
yeah, you gotta stomp it on the wok to kind of flatten it out. Try some.
Okay. Ooh, I like it.
Huh, creamy.
Yeah, it's good. I wonder how it's barley corn rice.
I wonder if it's, yeah, the corn.
You know, the corn's nice because that's what sweetens it up. Huh? That'd be a good ice cream.
This would be good ice cream.
Get her nails, they'll come in soon.
마포.
김치 마파두부. 김치 마파두부 하나가 먼저 나가면 되고요. 37.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ooh. Rice, rice, rice. That's good. Mashed egg.
See how this rice got a little toasty? I kind of wish it was a little more like
A
that.
little more toasty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I like these little crispy bits of the rice. And yeah. Those crispy bits are like
It's the best.
the best.
Is it really hot?
It's hot, but it's good. Like,
My favorite. Hot food's I think my favorite.
I'm not trying to. People don't. A lot of times people don't realize how difficult it is to like put up
Make it hot
good
food.
food.
Exactly. What time is it?
Clarence is calling.
Clarence is calling.
My name is Brandon. I'm the chef of Mr. Juice in San Francisco, Chinatown. We've been open for almost 3 years. We were very lucky. We received a Michelin every year.
Oh, that pork belly.
I'm getting full now.
Me too.
Well, that's the interesting part about
The
Chinese
variation.
food in Korea, that it's its own genre. So it's kind of like it's like very comforting and like for Korean people, I think. But they've created their own kind of like food.
Yeah,
The-
that's so interesting.
Should we go back to work? That was a nice.
Can we throw it away?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Should we go now?
Hey boy, what you say, boy?
Oh. 3 stars.
Yeah!
You trying
We love it.
like a game boy? Hit my phone, boy.
I like Korean food because I like, well, one, I love kimchi, but I think I love the textures of all the food.
Oh, and the green
Oh, yeah.
tea. Yeah, that was so good.
Yeah, we really like that.
Yeah, we loved the whole experience.
It was a great experience.
Yeah.
Thank you. And we wish you good luck too,
Yeah,
because
good
it
luck.
takes a lot of.
One hand on my shoulder, get a little bit closer. Come on, make a move.
자, 또 이제 한바탕 몰아칩니다. 보고 계십니다.
이것 좀 막 줘줘. 그 고기 익어야 되니까.
Number 49, number 50.
49, 49? 오케이. 아, 49. I'm looking for. 44? Okay. 44? Okay. There you go. 46.
Sir, can I get you your order number?
마파 하나 포장, 김치 2개 포장.
아, 그럼 홀에 먹을 건 없는 거야? 다 포장이야?
네, 다 포장. 김치 3개는 다 포장.
So sorry. Thank you.
자, 포장 가고.
Here you are, sir.
밥이 없어. 밥이 없다고요?
몇 인분인지 확인 한번 할게요. 전, 밥 이제 2개만 끝이야. 김치볶음밥 하나, 마파두부 2개 나갈 수 있어, 지금.
Okay.
Can I try the kimchi fried rice and okay.
All right, sorry guys, give me 1 second. Kimchi fried rice is sold out. Just sold out. I'm so sorry, guys.
No one left.
Only the mapa tofu is left. Only 2 orders of this is left, and cream shrimp.
Is that good?
The mapa tofu? Oh, it's very good. Even if you don't like tofu, the sauce and the beef is very good. That's it?
He wants one and I'll get the other one.
Sounds good. $24, okay? 자, 마파두부 2개 마지막 들어왔습니다.
그러면 이제 끝이지?
We just get this down. We just get this down.
Can I see your number? 2 마파두부, right?
오늘 조기 매진.
야, 밥이 그렇게 빨리 나가네. 김치가 이렇게 인지도가 좋은지 몰랐네.
이제 새우밖에 없어.
네.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I try creamy shrimp?
Okay.
Well, here to go?
You want to go?
Up to you. I can sit.
Let's sit for a little bit.
Can I get your signature, please?
잠깐, 이거 푸고 아니지?
네.
자, 시림프 하나 더 들어왔어요.
Yeah, today's actually so chill. There's like nothing going on at the
There's
office.
literally nothing to do. Like I'm sitting at my desk like right now. What am I supposed to be doing right now?
지친 어둠이 59?
Damn, dude.
Oh.
Can I have one?
Yeah, I kind of want
Everybody.
chopsticks. Is that weird if I use chopsticks? Oh, this whole thing came out.
Look, look.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. There's camera literally everywhere, actually, which is kind of hilarious. All right, I feel like I need to like tie my hair up to you guys.
Perfect drizzling of sauce.
Dude, this is actually really good. This is actually really, really good. These are giant shrimps, by the way.
Like, and that's not the real. That like shrimp shouldn't
That's
be
like
that
huge.
Hashtag bomb.
Wait. This shit is actually like giant. How do I do this? Hold on. Hand for reference. These are actually, I don't even, where did they get this? Huge ass shrimp. I'm actually shocked.
What? Me too. Definitely worth it. Not that I paid, but if I would have paid more, it would have been worth it.
Solid. This is really good.
I really like the sauce. There's cashews in it. I wonder if that like makes it thicker. I want to take a bite of it.
Take it.
Are you sure?
Yeah. One day you'll pay me back some way.
That's a fact.
It's a fact of life. This is so good. I seriously have never had shrimp this good. It's just so big and juicy.
Hi, can I make an order, please? To go?
To go?
Yes.
Just one shrimp?
One shrimp, and can I also get one biscuit?
Okay.
It's a little sweet. It's very nutty. Kind of like a latte. This is their only thing here.
Oh, yeah.
What do you have there?
I got the shrimp. And no, it's like it seems like it's like a barley drink. You want to try it? It's pretty good. It's like biscuit. It's like kind of sweet, but it's not too.
Yeah, that's good. Try some. Oh, wow.
It's only $2.
Oh, jeez. That's ridiculous.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. Can I just try the miso garu?
Yep. $2.
All right. Thank you. Sounds familiar. I recognize the name. Do I know the people in there? Yeah, I only recognize the chef up there. Wow, looks good. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Have a good one.
Thank you. Have a good day.
땡큐. 땡큐.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 6개, 총 6개요.
총 6개요.
어제는 종일 기분 좋았었나 봐 저녁에 갔던 가게 거기 괜찮지
Thank you so much. You too.
사진 잘
Your order is ready.
나왔더라 얼굴도
Thank you. Good day.
Here you are, sir. Thank you so much.
매일 나 이렇게 바라만
Nice orders. 수고하셨습니다.
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 자,
수고하셨습니다. 예.
아유야. 가뿐하게 갔네. 좀 늦더라고요. 새우 좀 약간 늦더라고요. 손이 보세요. 딱 들어오면 손이 따다다다 해야지.